I welcome you back again to another video lecture on Python programming, and in this video lecture I'll go ahead and teach you how to capture string errors in Python programming. Now let's go ahead and look at how to capture error. So in this project we'll be building a simple program that will help us to capture when a user inputs strings instead of numbers. Okay, now let's go ahead and say that x is equal to input, and I'll go ahead and tell user insert numbers only. All right, so insert numbers only, and whoever goes against this rule, we're going to capture that. Go ahead and say y type, and passing the value of x right in there, is not equal to float. Okay, because we might put float there. Then we're going to use try exception method. So try, and the x is equal to float, and passing the value of x. All right, now we want to use except value error. So except value error, go ahead and print out error. Please insert only numbers. So error, please insert only numbers. Okay, then x is equal to, go ahead and give the user, go ahead and copy this, the opportunity to print out insert only numbers. Go ahead and paste that. All right, now go ahead and print out these. So print x divided by 2. Now let's go ahead and run this code and check it out. So insert only numbers, go ahead and insert 67 and hit enter, and that is the half of this. Now let's go ahead and any number that is inserted, we'll go ahead and divide out. Let's say 4, and let's go ahead and insert, let's say 78u, and hit enter. Error, please insert only numbers, and go ahead and insert 78. Can you see that? 99.0. So maybe there's an error, there's a mistake when you were typing, and you mistakenly type a string. We go ahead and use this error method to be able to capture that and ask the user to type the correct thing. Okay, so let's say that I go ahead and say 801. Maybe I want to type 8901 and hit enter. Say error, please insert only numbers. So this tells you that there is a number, a string right in there, 801. Now check it out. Alright, so in this way you can be able to capture errors easily and let the user be able to confirm that and amend his or her own mistakes. Okay, so that is how we do that in Python programming, and the code is just very before you. Go ahead and put it down on your own system, play around with it, and in case if you have any question, please go ahead and use the question and the answer section, and I'm going to get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much, and I'm going to see you in the next video lecture.